amazing people, welcome once more to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time, shout out to you, you are welcome. So we are going to be designing this with PIXELLAB application on mobile. Let's get into the video. Okay, so first I'm going to delete off this custom text, then I'm gonna move on to this tab, then select the color. So the gradient, I've worked it up to the color I wish to achieve. So you can also do that by clicking on this plus icon to achieve the same. Okay, but I'm going with this, so I check the icon. So the next thing now is to come to this tab, then the vignette, I want to increase it a bit. Okay, I'm going to reduce it, so amazing. So the brightness also you can reduce a bit. So the next thing now, I'm going to pick up a circle. Okay, as you can see, this is a circle. Then I just increase the size. As you can see, I increase the size. Okay, so basically I still want to reduce it a bit. Okay, I think I'm okay like this. I'm okay with this like this. So now I want to increase the stroke width here. So I'm going to leave it at 60. That's the last. Then I can scroll down to pick a color. So let's go with this, as you can see. So the next thing I want to do now is come to this tab, then I click on texture. Then click again, then to the destination. Okay, I'm going to be using this image. Okay, as you can see. Okay, this, then you can just, as you can see. Okay, I want to reselect. Let's try this. Okay, that's amazing, as you can see. So now I'm going to put on the stroke again. Okay, I'm going to put on the stroke again, as you can see. Then I'm going to pick color. Try to adjust it a bit. As you can see, now I'm going to come to the emboss to give it a bit of lightning. Okay, so as you can see, I'm going to enable it. Okay, so I'm going to scroll up. Okay, then I want to reduce the intensity. Okay, then this. Okay, I guess I'm okay like this. Okay, now that this has been achieved, the next thing I want to select is circle. So we're still on circle. Okay, so I then pick the color I want. Okay, I want this. Then I just want the opacity. Okay, I'm gonna select this. Now the opacity. Now I'm going to increase it. So once I've positioned it where I want it to be, now I also want to reduce the opacity a little bit more. So now I'm going to select a new shape, yes, a new shape. So as you can see, now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to select one of my gradients. Okay, I'm going to select this, as you can see. Then I want to reduce the opacity to a bit, so then I adjust the size to the exact same. Okay, and compare and contrast. Okay, okay. Okay, simple, cool. So I can just come here to adjust it manually. Okay, cool. Then I want to duplicate it one more time. I want to duplicate this. Okay. So to avoid the image moving, I want to lock up. Okay, I want to lock this up. Okay. As you can see, so as you can see, now that they are properly adjusted, I can now join them all together. I can now join them all together. Okay, so I want to make some bit of, okay, you can see. So I'm going to use this, increase this, as you can see. Okay, make sure this is okay. So we're good. So I want to input my text, starting with delicious. Okay, delicious. Okay. Now I'm going to go select my font. I have my fonts. Okay, I'm using this. So I should just increase my font. So this is the first text. So following the rule, this has to be small. I don't want everything capitalized, so I want to actually change this. Okay, now changed. Awesome. So I'm going to move a bit. Oh, good. Now to the next text. So I want to input food menu. Food menu. As you can see, I'm going to go select some font. Okay. Right before that, I want to add a bit of design to it. So I'm going to walk up to my gallery to pick up some PNG. So I'm going to be using this. Now I'm going to come to this tab to raise the color of it. As you can see, then I want to increase this a little bit more. Now I'm going to come to this tab here, crop, to crop out the part I don't want. Okay, as you can see, now I'm going to rotate this. Yeah, I want to rotate it. As you can see, this is just to give the work a bit of some other design. Okay, now rotate it, give it what you want. So I'm going to duplicate. I want it at this angle also. Okay. You can just come here, you see rotate, so you can just rotate manually. Okay. Make sure they are properly set. Okay, this is okay. Okay, same thing here. Now I want to pick a shape. I'm going to go with this. You can see I'm going to put the opacity at 0, then I'm going to come to stroke here, stroke it a bit, as you can see. Then I want to give it the color I want to avoid going back there. Okay, now I want to crop out some parts. So I want to crop out this part, as you can see. Now I'm going to rotate, so I can still reduce the size. Just bring it here. So I want to reduce it more. So I can still crop out this part. So once we crop, then I can just drag. Okay, so just I'm going to the rotate tab to fix the bit. You can do this more carefully when you are alone. So now I want to give it the color I want. So just come here. You see, same thing here. Same thing here. As you can see now, I want to merge them all together. Okay. So I'm going to go to emboss to give it some bit of beauty.
When it hurts like this,
Okay, I guess we're good.
we hold
Cool.
each other high, but we fall 1,000 times. But I
Now we're back to this.
say goodbye or ever leave this sky behind. When it's good, it's amazing. When it's bad, it's uneasy. I wouldn't have it another way. There's no other way. When it hurts like this,
See, I just brought both up.
when it hurts.
Now I want to pick the font for this. So I'm going to be using this. Okay, I'm going to, so let me lock it off to avoid that again. So I'm going to increase the size, yeah. I'm going to pick my color. So I think I'm going to use this. So I'm going to come to the same place. Move it forward. So you can see. I just want to input some random text. So the food menu can just go here. So I want to take time to write all that. Okay, now I just reduce it. Now I'm going to pick a square. Now I'm going to like stretch it. Then the radius, as you can see, I want to still stretch it a bit more. So I'm going to be using this. Okay.
show anything. I've been flying from town to town,
So
from London to Taiwan. I've been all around.
I'm going to come to the 3D text.
Trying to protect your soul. We are heroes.
So I'm going to go to oblique.
We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
Then the color.
We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
Okay, so I want to bring in the contact. So I'm going to raise the color. Then you can see I'll reduce the size. You can see. Let's reduce the size. Then I just pick my favorite color here. Okay. Yeah. Color. Please, if you find the content helpful or interesting and you want more, make sure to subscribe and give the video a thumbs up. So I'm going to pick a font for this. Okay. Just duplicate. Now the number. Okay, now you can just bring in the brand logo. You can see. So I'm going to erase the background. So I'm going to put it to the edge. Oh yeah. So that's basically it. You can see our fly is done and ready. And if you find the video helpful, make sure to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate you all. Much love. Bye bye. See you in the next video.